Hey guys, so I created this very dramatic cut crease look using the Bare Necessities palette by Colourpop. I think this is the perfect look for fall. It's super dramatic. I used a dramatic wing and a dramatic lash, but this is a very easy look to achieve. So I'm just gonna jump right into the tutorial. I use the Bare Necessities palette by Colourpop. This palette has so many beautiful nude shades. You have these super metallic, beautiful shimmers and so many mattes. You have some sparkle mattes, some satins. This palette is perfect for every day in fall. I absolutely love this palette, and the Colourpop formula is like stunning. It's so great to work with. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of tutorials. I'm gonna go with Tease Me on a Morphe GH32. A lot of kickback with this shade, but I'm just gonna blend this right into my crease. It's gonna bring it like all the way up to the brow bone, all over. I'm gonna take the shade Hot Gossip on a Morphe M433. Hot Gossip. And I'm just gonna blend this into the actual crease area, just above the eye fold. I love Colourpop's formula. They just blend so well. They're like one of my favorite eyeshadows. I'm then going to take the shade All For You on a Morphe JH40. And I'm just going to blend this right into the lower crease. It's like a beautiful purple transition shade to just help warmthen up that crease. Just gonna blend out those edges. Tarte concealer and a Morphe M124, and I'm gonna cut my crease. My Colourpop E3, I'm gonna wet it with some of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh setting spray. I'm gonna go in with the shade Idle Hour, which is that beautiful white shimmer. Some of my concealer got on the upper lid, but that's okay because we made it work. Just like that. On a small shader brush, this is the eye shading brush by Lavish. I'm gonna go with the shade Active Full, which is like a darker purple. And I'm just gonna apply this to my outer V. It's really darkening up this area. I'm gonna go with the shade Taboo, which is right below that with the same brush. I'm just gonna darken up this outer area. I take my finger and go with the shade Designer Dupes. And I'm gonna apply this right between the dark and the light. I'm just gonna blend it over into the lighter shade. And just tap, tap, tap. Take a flat Morphe JH39. I'm just gonna tap this along the lash line. Kind of smoking out that lash line. Take my Pretty Easy Clinique eyeliner. Show white on my fallout here. I'm gonna create a small wing. Inner is drying out. Yeah, this eyeliner is about done. Take that shader brush again and go with the shade Active Full. I'm just gonna buff that into the bottom outer lash line. Go on some Kat Von D eyeliner. I'm gonna line my bottom lash line. And then tightline my bottom lash line. I'm gonna do my brows real quick. Apply some mascara to my lashes. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm gonna go in with some 3D Mink lashes by Ardell. These are the style 854. Highlight my inner corner with Becca Moonstone highlight and a Colourpop E20 brush. I'm going to take Colourpop Full Exposure and the same E20 brush and highlight my brow bone.